YouTube. Here we go. I got a special treat. Here's one. Well, I made sure it was a twist off first. All right, number 2. Here we go. Woo! I need to sit for a sec. On the last one, halfway done. Minute in, halfway done. Not too bad. 24 ounces in less than a minute. Hopefully you guys can hear it. All right, this one's taking a bit, so yeah, hands free today, guys. Four. Love this shit. Love this shit. I hope you guys can hear it. I mean, it's probably faint, but nice little Megadeth sesh with a 6-pack of Rolling Rock. Woo-hoo-hoo! 2 more to go. Oh. Ooh.
You got this. You got this. You got this.
Apparently I got this. So I'm not puking, I promise. It's the intro's too long. I want to get to it because I got like a minute left for you guys. This hasn't been much talking, and I gotta talk. All right. This. Boom. Peace out, YouTube.